Hi guys, this is Agashya. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're gonna see how to apply kajal in multiple ways. I'm gonna use the kajal from the brand Stay Quirky, which is water resistant, smudge proof. This retains for 199 rupees and it's available in purple.com. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna apply little bit compact powder on the eyelids and under eyes just to even out my skin because I haven't applied any face makeup, so that's the reason I'm doing it. If you have already done a face makeup, then you can skip these steps. Let's begin. First, I'm gonna apply kajal on the tight lines. If you're doing it for the first time, hold your eyelids to the upwards and then you can apply it, so this will get the job done as quick as possible and it's very easy to get the perfect tight lines. As you can see, I'm looking towards down and applying the kajal on the tight lines, and this is one of the trick. If you felt difficult to apply, and you can use this trick. That's all. We are done with the look 1, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference on your eyes. Look 2. Look 2 is like applying kajal on the waterline, so I've already applied it, which was not shooted, but yes, you can see I have applied kajal on the waterline. It's very thin line I have drawn. Look 3. Look 3 is applying kajal on upper eyelids, so you can see that I'm drawing a line upper eyelids. If you want a perfect line, hold the eyes at the edge, as you can see. I'm drawing a thick line to look my eyes bigger. Make sure to connect the eyelids and waterline with kajal so that it will give a perfect finish.
Don't you let them. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, get loud.
4. Look 4 is just to draw a line on the upper eyelids. I'm drawing a thin line on the upper eyelids. If you can't draw a perfect thin line, do a dotting as I did in this. Do a dotting and then join the line so that you'll get a perfect line without any hassle. As you can see, I have drawn a fishtail eyeliner look. So this is how the fishtail eyeliner look is. It's a perfect daily wear and it will look amazing, guys. Look 5. So I'm gonna stretch little bit the tail towards upwards to look cat and a tail combination so that it will give a cat look. I have drawn a thin line to get this look. If you want, you can draw a thick line. That also will look good. Look 6. Look 6, I'm stretching the lower lash lines towards upwards to give the perfect cat look. And also in this eye, you can see I have drawn a thick upper eye line so that it gives a perfect cat look. Look 7, I'm gonna apply kajal on the waterline. I'm gonna draw thick kajal on the waterline and this will give you a dramatic look.
Alright. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right.
Look 8. Look 8, I'm gonna smudge the lower lash line using the earbuds. This is very easy trick. No need of any brushing to do this. It will look amazing and it will give a smoky eye look.
Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, get.
Look 9. Look 9, I'm gonna draw a thick line on the upper eyelids and I'm gonna smudge using earbuds. Smudging will give you the smoky eye look, but make sure to smudge at the right point. Don't mess up while smudging, and even if you're messing up, it's easy to remove with the makeup remover with earbuds.
Down, 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 down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
the eyeliner is not enough for smudging, you can apply it again and do a smudging. And also in the final look, make sure to draw a thin line in the upper eyelids to get the perfect smoky look. Here is the final look.